Hello everyone. So today we'll be seeing how you can create a free websites. Even you will get the free .com domain or any other top class domain for free at least for 1 year. So I know a lot of people you are trying to create websites. Here is one of my video where you can create the free website with free hosting, but then you need to create some custom domain which maybe you don't have budget for it. But in this video I'll show you how you can even get the domain for 1 year for free. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this we'll go to this website odoo.com. It's a very popular website. So once you're here, click on try for free. So they have a lot of websites, but we'll only focus on the website today. So click on website, click continue, start filling this up, click on start now. Click on let's do it. Put I want to do a maybe business website. I do marketing. Get leads maybe. Choose any template. So this is where it will ask what kind of pages do you need. So for example, I need about us page, I need pricing, I need privacy policy, I need maybe a live chat. That's it. I'll go ahead and click here. So from here, choose any of the theme that you are liking. So I'll go ahead, I'll click here. Done. So you have your websites ready. So this is also very easy to edit. To edit your websites, click on the right hand side corner on that edit options. So typically you can edit anything. You can edit any text, you can change any image by double clicking on it. Just upload your image. So pretty much you can customize everything. You can customize your logo. So that is how easy to create the website is. Now let's go ahead and click save. Click on configurations, settings. So here you can see domain name, website name, right? Live chat options where you can customize every aspect, every features of your website. Now if you want to see the domain, how to configure, click on domain name. So once you click on domain name, you will see this pop-up. So you might see different pop-up as well if your email is not verified. If your email is not verified, they'll send one link to your registered email address. Just go and verify. Okay, so now from this pop-up, I'll click on my website is ready. So it will also ask me if we have any existing domain that I own. I will say no, I don't have, I want to get a new one. So type your domain name here, click on search. So if your domain name is available, you can select your domain name with the preferred extension. So seems like I don't have that email available, so I'll click the one that I like. So just click here and fill up this form and click on register. That's it. It's as simple as that. So you don't need to pay for 1 year, but remember, after 1 year you will be charged. Please leave comment if you want to know anything else. Cool, thank you.